So it's now Tuesday, and I am again on the road. The weather is some more better than yesterday, and we are going on the road. Are we passing now a bicycle with a passenger? Very good one. So it's the same road as yesterday, but we go now to another bakery because the bakery yesterday was not a good one. So we go now to travel to a bakery in the other part. Thus we have to go to the right side. I do my signal. But it's not working. Okay. And now not anymore by the King Bread, but some farther. You see the streets life, many sounds, many kids, the daily life in Dipolog City, Galas. So it's the site of early in the morning way, and here is the bakery I have to go. This is the bakery I know already from many times ago. You see, this is the bakery, and I will stop now the movie.